Hi guys, welcome back to
Jayla
Enjoying
videos.
Today I had got a slime package. It is right here, and it is from. The note is in here somewhere. I have two different people, so the two different people is SlimeLoverXOXO.com. The other one is that one was slime_lover.xoxo.com. And this one is slime_xoxo.lover. Both are sisters, Pacific sisters.
They're sisters.
So I'm gonna set you up right here. And we're just gonna dig from the slime package. Get it. What is this? She gave me wipes. These are
I'm gonna read this. I think this one comes with here. I think this one comes with this brown part.
Oh no. They put both of their stuff in here, remember? Chick and me.
To Jayla, wait, let me read this one. To Jayla and Torian.
That's actually my slime package, and she gave me a little purse.
Refund slime, $11.20. Slime stuff.
What's this big one? Nah.
Huh?
Read the prices.
Why?
Because they gonna be like, oh no, I'm not buying her stuff and all that, and it's and they got me a science book. See, look.
And slime stuff, $20 or better.
What is this? Slime activator or bubbles, I think.
Whoa, that was a lot. I'm still like a little kid.
I'm gonna blow some at the camera. I used to love bubbles. I can't blow bubbles.
Is it a bubble over top of your head? That was a little crap. Come on. Next thing, you're spending all the time.
Just a matter of time. So bubbles,
bat putty? This don't look like bat putty. See?
Ew. Look, and she has toothpaste at the bottom of the bowl.
Like bat putty. You can see the bat putty.
See if it's bat putty. Ew! I told her to give me paint.
It smells very good though.
She gave us toothpaste.
Guess what color it is?
Ooh, she gave us gorillas, not the gorilla. It's Mako de gorilla. Mako de gorilla slime. I mean, not slime, stuff. So, let me get out the... I think I ordered me a pair of shoes. So here are some shoes I bought from her. I think.
Don't put that in there.
Nothing in there. Oh. First thing I pulled out. A stupid slime that is like so hard that I can't even like squish it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, kinetic slime. This is an extra. These are extras, I think.
Blue slime.
See? It's not even kinetic sand anymore because she had used it already and put like some glue in here, and it's like all pointy stuff in here. Check in with me and do your job. Then anyway, my period. I said, show my diarrhea.
Playing with the slime still.
Yes.
I'm making it fast.
What the heck is this? This is fake. 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 What is this? It's Play-Doh. I know it's Play-Doh, guys. But it's not even hard.
And this pink thing.
It's for slime.
For slime.
Like your blue slime. Yes, I finally got purple slime.
Can you see that little spikes on it?
I don't know why she put them in
Spikes,
Play-Doh
yeah.
bottles, but that's fine. I'll work with it.
Oh god. Look at the design I made.
Picky. Guys, I'm not gonna be picky about this slimes and stuff. But yes, I am being picky right now. Cause this girl then gave me a shout out slime and everything. So I have me slime right here. My slime. It's purple. She gave it to me in my slime package on the truck.
She gave her blue. No. In a different video, she gave.
We didn't post on YouTube though.
Oh, we didn't post that one.
Check it with me. Let me see this.
Check it with me. And
What is this?
the fruit?
Look. What is this? Oh my
This
gosh,
is
I'm
like
not even
cool.
gonna
Look,
touch
guys.
this.
Look at this, guys.
Well, here's a slime mode or Play-Doh mode. It's chicken and steak. Steak.
I just like spraying this like this.
Ooh,
This
let me
is
see if I
butter
can make
slime,
me
guys.
steak and chicken, actually. Chicken with meat and the job.
Look, guys, I made chicken and steak for you guys because
See, I make steak and chicken for you. Here's some chicken, here's some steak. And do your job, Mr. Ernie 3. So that's literally it in a laptop. So yeah, that's kind of it. But yeah, we're just gonna play with it because we really
wait. What in your mouth?
Huh?
And this thing. I'm using this.
I thought she gave me some shoes at least for a second. So we're gonna make another video today, I guess. I really don't know. And no, it's not the middle of the night where we post all our YouTube videos. That's what our dad said. It's mostly none of them in the middle of the night. Because sometimes we be asleep. Summer we used to post in the middle of the night. Because we didn't have to go to sleep and stuff. But all of a sudden, y'all been posting in the middle of the night. I don't even post in the middle of the night anymore. Because I have to
What
go
time is it
to
right now?
SC.
I was 9. I thought it was, it's 9 a.m. Just playing.
To here it is 9 a.m. something. 9 p.m. 9 p.m.
Right now it's 9 p.m.
And do your job, Mr. Osapichio, doing on the job. Hey, don't mess with me or get beat. Well, this is a little nice slime package and stuff, but I really hate it because she really gave me stuff on my pants and everything. I know, like, literally, why would
Look, guys.
someone do that? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Number 8.
Wait, hold it.
Wait. I'm gonna cut it.
Bye, guys.
Wait, guys, it's not only 9, it's